Udon is thick Japanese noodles made of wheat flour, and miso is a Japanese soybean-based condiment used in sauces, dressings, and soups. In this video, I will show you how to make amazing and healthy vegan Japanese miso udon noodles. This meal is enough for 2 people or simply have it for lunch the next day. To make the vegan Japanese miso udon noodles, you need the following ingredients. Quick cook thick udon noodles, half of a sweet potato, 4 button mushrooms, 4 small pieces of broccoli, half of a shallot or small onion, 2 spring onions, 1 carrot, handful of green beans, 300 grams of tofu, toasted sesame oil, dark miso paste, 3 tablespoons of light soy sauce, and 300 milliliters of water. Step 1. Add 2 tablespoons of sesame oil to a deep frying pan and turn on the gas to medium heat. Cut the sweet potato into small cubes and add to the frying pan. The sweet potato takes the longest to cook, so we should add this first. Cook the sweet potato for 8 minutes and keep turning to brown them on all sides. Step 2. Add 1 tablespoon of sesame oil to a small frying pan and turn on the gas to medium heat. Cut the tofu into small sections and add it to the small frying pan. Cook the tofu for 8 minutes and keep turning to brown them on all sides. Step 3. Add the sliced carrots and green beans to the frying pan which is cooking the sweet potato. Transfer the tofu from the small frying pan to the larger frying pan. Turn down the heat to low on the larger frying pan. Turn the ingredients in the large frying pan every few minutes to cook evenly. Step 4. Cut the mushrooms into quarters. Add the mushrooms to a small frying pan on medium heat and cook for 4 minutes. Turn the mushrooms often to cook evenly. Add the broccoli to the larger frying pan. Transfer the mushrooms to the larger frying pan. Before continuing this video, it would be great if you can support my channel by hitting that like button, subscribing to my channel for more amazing videos, and don't forget to hit the bell icon. Step 5. Add 4 teaspoons of miso paste to the large frying pan. Stir the larger frying pan to coat all the ingredients with the miso paste. Step 6. Add the udon noodles to the larger frying pan. Add the 300 milliliters of water to the larger frying pan. Turn up the heat to medium. Stir the large frying pan after 1 minute to break up the noodles. Allow the noodles to cook for 2 minutes. Add 3 tablespoons of light soy sauce. Stir the large frying pan for 30 seconds. Transfer the contents of the large frying pan into a deep bowl and add the sliced shallots. To make your meal extra healthy, add tomatoes, kimchi, and cooked edamame beans to make a small vegan side dish. I hope you enjoyed watching this video. Don't forget to subscribe for more videos just like this.